Welcome to the Roadrunner. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone looking for the latest updates on the hottest cars in the market, you're in the right place. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the most comprehensive reviews, detailed specifications, and insider features on all the latest car models. Whether you're in the market for a new ride or simply curious about the latest automotive trends, Roadrunner has got you covered. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all the exciting updates we have in store. Now, let's dive into one of the most anticipated models of 2025, the all-new Ford Puma. This compact SUV is set to redefine what we expect from small vehicles, offering a unique blend of style, technology, and performance. As a Ford pushes the boundaries of design and innovation, the 2025 Puma is here to prove that size doesn't always dictate capability. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a weekend adventure companion, or simply something stylish for city drives, the Ford Puma 2025 could be the perfect fit for you. The 2025 Ford Puma brings a striking and bold redesign that makes it stand out from the crowd. With a sportier, more aggressive look, the new Puma has sharper lines and a more dynamic stance. The front grille has been redesigned with bold new elements, while the headlights feature a sleek, modern design that complements the vehicle's overall aesthetic. The Puma's compact size is perfect for urban driving, but it doesn't compromise on its sporty character, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants something practical yet eye-catching. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Puma is powered by a range of efficient engines that offer both power and fuel efficiency. Ford has focused on optimizing the driving experience while reducing environmental impact. One of the standout features is the introduction of hybrid powertrains, which have become increasingly popular in recent years. The Puma offers a mild hybrid system that helps to reduce emissions without sacrificing performance. This hybrid powertrain is ideal for anyone who wants to contribute to sustainability while still enjoying a spirited driving experience. Ford has also introduced more efficient petrol and diesel engine options, ensuring that there is something for everyone in terms of driving preferences. In terms of interior, Ford has made sure that the 2025 Puma offers a comfortable and high-tech experience. The cabin has been designed with premium materials and modern touches, making it feel more luxurious than you might expect from a compact SUV. One of the key highlights is the new infotainment system. The Puma now comes equipped with Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, which includes a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a range of advanced connectivity features. This system ensures that you can stay connected on the go, with seamless integration for your smartphone and other devices. The 2025 Ford Puma also places a strong emphasis on safety. Ford has added a host of advanced safety features to ensure that drivers and passengers are protected at all times. The new Puma comes with a range of driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the Puma offers excellent visibility, making it easier to navigate tight spaces or busy roads. With these safety features, you can have peace of mind knowing that Ford has made your protection a top priority. As for practicality, the 2025 Ford Puma doesn't disappoint. Despite its compact size, the Puma offers a surprising amount of interior space, especially in the boot. Ford has utilized its space-efficient design to maximize storage capacity, making the Puma perfect for road trips or grocery runs. The rear seats also provide ample legroom, ensuring that passengers remain comfortable even on longer journeys. Ford has really paid attention to the little details, offering clever storage solutions throughout the cabin, such as door pockets, cup holders, and hidden compartments to keep your items organized. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Ford Puma is sure to impress. The driving experience is both agile and responsive, making it a joy to drive in urban environments and on open roads. The steering is precise, and the suspension strikes a good balance between comfort and sportiness. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising down a winding country road, the Puma offers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. It's easy to see why the Puma is becoming such a popular choice in the compact SUV segment. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Ford Puma is its efficiency. With the hybrid powertrain options, the Puma offers impressive fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to save on fuel costs. In addition to the hybrid powertrain, Ford has made significant improvements to the overall weight of the vehicle, further enhancing its efficiency. Whether you're commuting daily or taking a weekend getaway, the Puma will help you save on fuel without compromising on performance. The 2025 Ford Puma is also designed with technology in mind. Ford has integrated a range of smart features into the SUV, including a wireless charging pad, a premium sound system, and advanced navigation options. For those who love tech, the Puma doesn't disappoint. The seamless integration with smartphones and the ability to control various vehicle settings through voice commands make the driving experience more intuitive than ever. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ford Puma remains competitive within the compact SUV market. Ford has managed to balance affordability with high-end features, making the Puma an attractive option for those seeking a well-rounded vehicle. Whether you're looking for a basic trim or a fully loaded version, there's a Puma configuration for every budget. For those considering the 2025 Ford Puma, it's clear that Ford has worked hard to create a vehicle that caters to the needs of modern drivers. The Puma offers a blend of style, technology, performance, and practicality that is hard to match in this segment. From its sleek exterior design to its comfortable and high-tech interior, the Puma is a compact SUV that delivers on all fronts. Whether you're after a daily commuter, a weekend getaway vehicle, or something in between, the 2025 Ford Puma is well worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to the Roadrunner channel for more in-depth reviews, updates, and insights on all the latest car models. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way, so make sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with everything happening in the automotive world. Thanks for watching.